Hey Fort Worth, ever wonder if your roof is trying to tell you something? Those shingles up there might be sending you some pretty important signals about your roof repair needs. And I am going to show you what to look for. Grab a pair of binoculars and let's go do a quick check together. Do you see any shingles that look kind of curled up at the edges? Or maybe some that are cracked or just plain missing? You do not want to ignore these red flags. Okay, now here's something that most homeowners don't know about. You know those little granules that make your shingles look kind of rough, kind of like sandpaper? If you're finding a bunch of them in your gutters or around your downspouts, that is your roof's way of waving a big warning flag. And those dark streaks that some Tarrant County homeowners see on their roofs, that is not just dirt. It could be the start of algae growth, and that's more than just a cosmetic issue. Now, the good news is catching these problems early can save you from some serious headaches down the road. Our team at First Texas Roofing knows exactly what to look for and how to fix it before small issues become big problems. Want us to take a professional look at your roof? Give us a call. We'll check everything out and give you an honest assessment of what your roof needs or doesn't need. Because sometimes a little repair now can prevent a big expense later.